Oh, here we go. Can I get a photo?
What?
Can I get a photo? I walk around, do street photography. I just take pictures of interesting people, and obviously you're the most interesting I've seen today. And actually, if I could have you right there in the light so we can get that light on you, that'd be awesome. Right there, it's perfect. Actually, in the sun, like right here. So the sun's coming out. Perfect, right there. Now turn and look at me, right here. There we go. That's awesome. So is that Spider-Man or what is that?
Yeah.
Okay. See, I'm not big on the
newest version.
Oh, okay. I haven't been up on all of it, so let me make sure what I got here. Okay, let me do up here. Here we go. Here we one more. Right on. Let me I just want to get those cards back. Here we go, right here. And I'll give you my card and send you a few of these if you want.
Okay.
We'll get you some pub, man. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, how we doing? We are back at it, downtown Indianapolis yet again. This is the 28th, 29th, 30th time. I'm not really sure. Actually, probably the 31st time this season. What you'll see on these videos, typically when I come downtown now, I'm getting at least 2, sometimes 3 videos out of every photo walk that I do, because I don't want to make these 30 minutes, 40 minutes long. And I shoot so many photos when I am downtown that and I have such a great ratio of those photos that come out at least halfway decent. People make the comments about some blurry photos and things like that I have, but keep in mind, I'm posting almost everything that I can shoot down here. If it's not blurry, like dramatically blurry or completely out of focus, then odds are I'm going to go ahead and pop that up there at some point. So a lot of these, hey, how we doing, guys? And so a lot of these photos I would not be posting, say, on Instagram or anything like that. Maybe out of 60 photos, there's probably 5 that are actually, you know, what I would say, hey, these are great photos, or not great photos, but ones that I would say this represents me. The other 50 are just photos for you guys to basically see what I'm doing. And, you know, why not? I don't like throwing photos away, which is what I mean when I don't edit them. So I like to edit as much as possible and show as much as possible to you guys. So hopefully that's all helpful to you, and that's why we do it. I do appreciate the viewership. I appreciate the subscribers. I appreciate all the awesome comments that you guys leave, the support, everything. And we will be back with several more videos. We're going to go through the winter on these, so stay tuned and we'll get them out there for you. Okay, guys, our settings for today, we're at 1/500th of a second at f7.1. Normally I'm at 400 and f8 or 9, but we went ahead and went to 500 to see if that helps on any sort of clarity. And aperture 7.1. I'm at auto ISO maxed at 1600. My snap focus is set at 1.5. I do not use full snap. I don't like full snap. I use only snap. So I set my camera to where it's only snap. It does not focus at all. It's only set at 1.5 meters. And at 7.1, that gives me about 3 feet to 10 feet, maybe 15 feet. That's all I need. Not shooting any further than that. Everything outside that can be out of focus. Doesn't bother me for the depth of field. And let's see, center weighted, not highlight weighted. And there we go. That's our settings for today. Oh, a dog, a lady and a dog, a lady and a dog. Oh, this is perfect with these leaves. Can I get your picture in these leaves? That's just awesome. Especially in these leaves. Here we go. Okay, go ahead and walk on by and I'll shoot him as he walks by. That's awesome. What a cool bulldog. That's a bulldog, right?
Yeah, English bulldog.
Awesome. Thank you. Oh, I hope some of those came out. Okay. Here comes a couple. This is a good looking couple here. I'm going to cut them off to the left here. Well, no, I'm going to cut them off to the right. Let's see. Yeah, we just want to try to shoot into the buildings, not into the street, because the cars date the photo, if at all possible. And these people eating, I want to get them. Oh. Okay, well at least we got some light going on here. At least we got some light. over here. Okay, so I'm just gonna get these dudes all walking across the crosswalk. I have no idea if those will come out or not. They're kind of cool. Okay, this lady here. Awesome. Hopefully she came out. This guy right here. And let's see. Again, you don't want to get too many people. You don't get too many people in the shot, it ruins the shot. Let's see, we've got a lady coming here. I'd like to shoot, but we've got these kids playing around, so. Go here. Oh, it would have been great to get behind her. Oh, that's kind of creepy. Yeah, that was a little creepy. Oh, the guy on the bike. This will be neat with this clock. Open. Oh, go ahead. Thank you. Yeah. Got it from behind. You never want to. I don't. Sorry, hon. Here you go, in case you find one. All right, have a good one. Okay, this was an interesting spot right here. So, okay, we got more bikers coming, so let's see what I can do. I like these down low shots up into the sun, so let's see here. Okay, this is kind of cool, kind of cool, kind of cool. Oh, neat. Oh, neat, here's another one. Pop up, bam. Okay, that's kind of neat. See if I can get here. Kind of a profile shot. Wait for the cars to pass. Okay. Okay. Nothing strange about that whatsoever. Comes the dude walking. And again, see, I could shoot like this and shoot over here, but you have all these cars that would date the photo, versus shooting like this, which in COVID time does still date it, but it's okay because at least you don't have these ugly cars in there. Okay, got some people. Let's see, okay, to the left, to the left.
So y'all gonna come out here?
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Let me get this guy right here. Oh! Here we go. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna go here to light position myself and be ready. Can I get a picture, you guys, with your dog there?
Sure.
That's neat. Excellent. Here we go, buddy. Here we go. Excellent. Thanks, guys. Oh, got a bike. Got a bike. Can I take your picture?
Wait.
Can I take your picture?
Sure.
There we go. I just walk around and do street photography. Thank you, hon.
You're welcome.
Boom. Okay, we've got a guy here in some great light with his bike. So let's see if we can get this. Hey man, can I get a shot of you? I just do street photography. Got a neat look going there.
Oh, sweet. Thank you, man.
I shoot people with neat looks and cool dogs.
You care if I put my mask on?
Yeah, oh yeah, absolutely.
Thank you.
All right, I'm gonna take a couple here just to make sure I got it in. Right on. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Okay. Ooh, it got rather dark down here. By dark, I mean the shade is certainly... Okay, should have went over there on the other side of the street, but I didn't, so here we are. It's a very cool barber shop here. All right, but take care. Alrighty. Let's see. I'm gonna shoot this guy in the car here. Check this out. Been sitting here for a while. Now that one's going to be interesting to see. Probably didn't come out, but oh well. Okay, so, boy, I wish we had some more light on this corner right here. Okay, we got light down that way. Oh, you know what? I bet we got more people this way. I'll wait for these people to ride across and then just get a shot of them coming across the crosswalk here. Bike, a girl on a bike. Or no, that was not a girl on a bike. What's that? Yeah, I got it. There you go, man. Right on. Okay. Cool. Let me see if I can. Oops, sorry. This, here we go. Bunch of people on bicycles. Bunch of people on bicycles. And more bunch of people on bicycles. Oh, too late on that one, I think. Okay, so now we want to cross the street. I guess we'll go ahead and go this way, since we got the light. Right on, man. Hey guys, that's going to do it for the end of this video. We certainly do appreciate you tuning in and checking it out. Hopefully you can hear me here. It's been a fantastic day downtown Indianapolis. We've got more to come, so make sure and subscribe, hit that little bell so you know when the next video does come out. Please like, please leave a comment, questions if you have any, and more than happy to hear from you. All right guys, appreciate it. Take care.